Hello guys, welcome to MAT 150 section 0504 Introduction to Stats in the Spring 2026 semester. And this is a fully online class. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to our Brightspace course and also the related course contents. So first of all, you log into the Brightspace and click on the course home. On the front page, there's an announcement. I'll give you a information on my background and also my email address here. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions or need assistance throughout the semester. So the first link here is I recorded this YouTube video for you guys to get familiar with our Brightspace course. So you can click on it. I will take you to the video itself. And then second item here is let's take a look at syllabus, textbook, and the formula sheet. Click on that link. And first of all, let's open the course syllabus. Let's go over the syllabus step by step. So you can download the PDF file and then open the file. And so let's go through the syllabus really quickly. So this is MAT 150, section 0504, Intro to Stats, fully online course in the spring 2026. And it's my name here, my email address. And this course has full credit. And you need this mandatory course material like course ID. So we are using the open source homework platform called Lumen throughout the semester. So you need this course ID 96211. And you click on or you can go on to the Google and type in Lumen OHM. Okay. And then click on Lumen OHM, or you can click on the web link. And I'm going to log out first. So right here, you need to create a login first. So you click on the enroll in the new course, and then paste the course ID 96211. And then you're going to leave the enrollment key blank. You don't need that. And click on enroll. So you see this course name, Math 150, section 0504, fully online. Intro to Stats, spring 2026. Teacher's name, that's my name. So once you check all this information and click on enroll. So you need to create a username. If you don't have a login in this website, create a username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, and your email address. You can use your personal email address for easy access. And check both boxes here and click on submit, right? And your login will be created. And then once you create your login, then you can log in and you're going to see our course, which is this right here. And all the homework assignments, including all the quizzes, midterm and final, has been created here. And also the due date, right? So the orientation homework is due on Sunday, February 1st. So basically you have 1 week to complete this orientation homework. Each chapter has a homework and also the quiz. So if you study homework thoroughly, you'll be able to do well on the quiz. And also for most homework, you can try multiple times until you have a correct answer. For most quizzes, you can usually try 2-3 times for each questions. Depends on the chapter. And also, let me show you one more thing. If you click on, let's say, chapter 3 homework, and if you click on start, right, you see in the homework, under each homework, there's embedded calculator. So when you try to solve all these problems, you can use the calculator. Okay. This is a scientific calculator, and also it's pretty user-friendly. So then you can use it all the homework, quizzes, and then both midterm and finals. And also, this homework system could serve as a central place for you to complete all the assignments. And also, there's due date. You can keep track of the due date on the homework platform. And when you finish the first 5 chapters, you're gonna have a midterm exam, and the midterm is due on Sunday, March 15th. You can use a practice midterm exam to study for the actual midterm. Practice midterm exam does not count towards the final course grade, but it's extremely useful to prepare for the actual midterm. And typically, you're allowed to take the midterm a couple of times. The higher score will be counted. See if, yep. So number ties. That's right. Okay. And then after you finish the midterm, you're gonna complete 4 more chapters. Chapter 6, 7 have a couple parts. Chapter 8 and chapter 10. And then after that, you take the final exam. And the final exam is non-cumulative. You just will cover chapter 6, 7, 8, and 10. And then the final exam is due on Sunday, May 17th. And basically, once you complete everything, you finish for the semester. So that's the, and it's open source, so it's free for all of you guys. Feel free to use it. And then scientific calculator is embedded in our home platform, so you don't even need to purchase the calculator, right? The actual calculator. You can just use the embedded scientific calculator. If you know how to use Microsoft Excel to do calculations, you can also use Microsoft Excel to complete all the assignments in our enrollment. And that's recommended textbook called Essential of Statistics 5th edition by Mario Triola. It's optional. I also post the PDF file of the textbook in our Brightspace course, right beneath the syllabus. And it's PDF file, so feel free to use it at your convenience. Also, you'll need a formula sheet, and you can use the formula sheet to tackle all the homework assignments, quizzes, and also the exams. And here it's organized by the chapters, so it's summarized each chapter. You're going to use some of the formulas here, so just look into the corresponding chapters. Also, there's a couple of tables, Z table, which is called a normal distribution table, and also the T table is for the T distribution. Those are the major 2 important tables you're going to need, especially after chapter 6. So, and then grade distribution, homework is worth 40% of your final course grade. All the quizzes is worth 20%, midterm worth 20%, and final is worth 20%. And throughout the semester, you're gonna learn the major topics like probability theory, random variables, binomial distribution, normal distribution, measure of center and variations, sampling distribution, estimation theory with the confidence intervals, correlation regression, and hypothesis testing. And if any of you guys have registered with the BMCC's Office of Accessibility Office, or you have a disability, let's say reading disability or like any disability, you can contact the BMCC's Office of Accessibility, and they will arrange proper accommodation for you, right? Basically, they will send me email indicating your accommodation needs, and I will provide a proper accommodation. Yeah. And then the office information is right here and in the main building N360, and the phone number, email address. And the policy of plagiarism and the integrity statement. So because it's a fully online class, so you need to complete all the quizzes, midterm, and finals on your own. You can use tutoring service for your for homework assignment part, right? But again, all the quizzes, midterm, and final, you must complete them independently without outside help. You cannot ask your friends or hire anybody to complete the work for you. Okay. If you get caught, then your corresponding grade will be 0. Okay. And we're going to cover the following topics: Chapter 1, Intro to Stats; Chapter 2, Organizing some Analyzing Data; Chapter 3, Measure of the Center of Variations; Chapter 4 is Probability; Chapter 5, Discrete Probability Distribution; Chapter 6, Normal Distribution and Central Limit Theorem; Chapter 7, Confidence Interval; Chapter 8, Hypothesis Testing; and then Chapter 10, Regression Correlation. And in general, please contact MATLAB S535 in the main building for the tutoring service if you need help on your homework assignments. And please complete your coursework on time. Email me if you have any question or you need some assistance. And since this is a fully online class, we do not meet on a weekly basis. And so that's basically everything in our syllabus. I also create a document. Go back to course home. It's called a course guide. And it's just basically a document summarize all the due dates, everything. Okay, it's not the right one. So I'm gonna update this really quickly. Okay, I'm gonna update to the, I think the, yeah, the name hasn't changed yet. I think document is right. Let me change the name. Add property, spring 2026 05 04 fully online course guide. And if you, let's update it. And if you click on it, you'll see there's a PDF file here. And let's open the file. And basically it has all the due dates, everything there. Let's download the file. The file is proper. Let's take a look at it. And it's basically, it's consistent with what you see from the Home platform. So basically it has a due date. The first assignment is orientation homework. Right, you're gonna complete it by February 1st. And each chapter has a homework and then a quiz, right, together with the due date here. And then as well as the midterm, you need to have 1 week to complete the midterm from March 9th to March 15th. And then everything else, right, and final, you have 1 week from May 11th to May 17th to finish the final. So that's on the course guide. And also, if you guys feel like you want to complete the entire coursework ahead of time, feel free to do that. You don't need permission from me. If let's say you decide to finish everything in within 2 months, you can definitely do that. Right? I have students who can finish the entire semester within two months. Right? That's totally fine with me. Also, I have all the lecture videos and PowerPoint embedded here. So on a weekly basis, you just log into Brightspace course and then open the PowerPoint and go over all the contents here. And also I have a this is the PowerPoint. Right next, right below that is lecture videos for that corresponding PowerPoint. And you should go over both. And typically, if you go over all this content, you are ready for the actual homework and then quizzes. Right. So that's basically your weekly routine. And then everything's here, all the PowerPoint for every single section. It's here. So feel free to review all of them and at your pace, at your own pace. And sometimes if you need review a couple more times, feel free to do that until you understand the concept. So everything is located here. All right, and then let's take a look at one more link here is the homework link. So if let's say you want to just get a quick access to the homework platform, just click on this. I will take you to the homework platform, Boomer homework platform website here. Okay. So that's pretty much everything in our Brightspace course. And then again, feel free to email me if you encounter difficulty or need assistance throughout the semester. And I hope you enjoy the course.